Good morning and welcome to Steve at Home. Today we're going to be using ARDEX A46 to do a bit of repairs around the house. I've got a gully where the old mortar had all cracked up and it's been like that for a while, so I've chopped it all out and I'm going to repair it using our fast setting repair mortar. When you buy one of these, it comes in a tub. Inside the tub is a little bag of powder, and the idea is once you've done your mixing, clean your bucket out, put your powder back in, put the lid back on, and it'll keep the product nice and fresh for you. So it's a true 1:3 ratio, so 1 part water to 3 parts repair mortar. And it can be mixed by hand, so the normal baby trowel, just mix it up. And what you're looking for is for it to be like a mortar consistency, slump free. Like so. Ideal for all sorts of repairs around the house, internally and externally. It will go to 50mm thick if required. So now I've got the repair mortar all mixed up and I'm happy with the consistency, no lumps, and I'm going to just start applying some into the gaps. Very easy to use. Just make sure I'm forcing it right down to the base of the hole. As you can see, very easy to apply. When I'm happy, I filled the hole, just drag it off, and that's the type of finish you can get on it. So I'll continue with the other side. This product will go to 50mm thick if required. It is a rapid set product, so within 30 minutes it'll be dry and gone off, so very fast. If I was putting a new collar in the drain, I could also seat the collar using this product and then finish it off around the edge like I'm doing now. This side just requires a little bit of benching or a little bit of seating in. So again, overfill it, slight angle, and just try it up. What you can also do with this product, you can put it in and then just grab a damp sponge and just sponge finish it over. It's quite easy to do. Again, I'll just finish this edge off. Again, filling the hole in, nice and easy. The important thing with any product like this, when you're trying to fill gaps or holes or chases in the wall, that you're making sure you're filling the entire hole. So a bit of pressure, we're putting it in, making sure it's seating right to the bottom. And the excess can just be scraped off at this stage, and then just finish that edge off. And even though it's a 30-minute fast setting product, you've still got time to play with it and get it just as you want it. So what I'm going to do with that now, just clean up the edges, let that go off a little bit, and just grab a very lightly damp sponge and just finally smooth it. That's ARDEX A46, a very, very simple product to use. As you say, simple, easy, resealable. So any powder I've got left over, I'll clean my bucket out, make sure it's dry, put the powder back inside, fix the lid on, and I can use that product again. Thank you.